Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherie. If you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back, girl. And today we're going to be talking about all things hair. As you can see, this is a little bit new for me. So I've done hair videos in the past, but I don't usually do many natural hair videos. Because I'm not like a pro, but I'm getting there. So what happened was I got a silk press on Friday. Today is Wednesday. So last Friday I got a silk press, walked outside. It was so humid, my hair frizzed up like immediately. Saturday came, my hair was a mess. Sunday came, I was like, you know what, let me throw some rollers in it, okay? I just had to give y'all some backstory. I'm sure you've seen from the title what this video is about, but I gotta give you some backstory. Rolled my hair, and I've been rocking this really pretty like roller set basically for the last couple of days. Today's Wednesday. I've been getting so many compliments on my hair, but before I even knew I was doing this style, I had already ordered a wig from Amazon. So let's get into the wig, honey. I want to talk about it. When I got it, I was very shook at how good it looks. So let's get into the wig. So this is her. She's beautiful, right? She matches my hair almost perfectly. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. Ah! This is the Outre Quick Weave, self-styled in 60 seconds. This is the Penny 26-inch in the color 1B. It's a half wig. It's called the new half wig cap. Lays flat, requires less leave out. So I'm gonna be leaving out quite a bit of hair, but this is what the tag looks like. Focus. This is her. And once again, this is the hair. Beautiful. So long. Look how long it is. So I'm gonna be putting this wig on to show you guys how it looks on. I also want to show you how you can pretty much go from like an old rod set, roller set, flexi rod set to a quick weave / half wig super fast. This wig was between $20 and $30. I think it was like $26. I'll have the link down below for you, and I'll have the price on the screen. You guys know how I do, because I want to make sure that you guys have all of the information so you're well informed before you purchase anything. And if you really like the wig and you want to purchase it for yourself, like I said, check the description box below. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to pull the back of my hair, which is pretty much a lot of hair, but I'm going to pull it into like a very tight but low, small little bun, and then put a wig cap on. I'm going to leave out the entire front of my hair, which is basically all of these little pieces here. Put this part in the back in a bun, and then we're going to put the wig on, and then we're going to use these curly pieces in the front to cover up the perimeter of the half wig. Now, once again, this is a half wig. It has no lace. It does have combs on the inside. So let me show you, because it does have combs. Want to make sure you guys know what you're getting yourself into if you get this wig. So this is the front of it. So the part that goes across the front, one huge comb keeps it from sliding. I love the construction of this wig. As you can see, it's very breathable, and it does have another really big long comb in the back. So if you guys are familiar with like ponytails, it's kind of constructed like a giant ponytail. You know what I mean? So this is what we're working with. I love this curl pattern. I'm taking just a scrunchie and just a wig cap. I just want to show you guys, this is literally like the quick way to do it. You don't actually have to do it this way. If you wanted to, you could really just pull out your real hair and like wand curl it or roll it and not do anything with the back, braid the back down. But this is just a quick way. I was about to go upstairs and roll my hair anyway, but I was like, before I roll it and all of that and get all the pretty curls again for tomorrow, I'm going to show you guys what I do to style this wig. So I left a little bit too much out. There we go. That's perfect. And then I have this brown wig cap I'm only gonna put on the back half of my head. This is a very ghetto way of doing this, y'all, but trust me, it's still gonna be cute. So I just got the perimeter out, the front. It looks like a lot of hair, but it's not. It's only about 2 inches of hair. I just have really thick hair. And about 2 inches on the sides. and probably about 3 inches on this side because I left out a lot of hair on that side. But anyway, this is what we're working with, okay? Okay, so let's throw the wig on. We'll take the tag off. I was just saving it so you guys could see what the wig was. Snatch that off. And we're gonna put her on. So I put mine on front to back. Some people go back to front, but I go front to back. Oh, it does have an adjustable band on the inside as well. Usually I don't need to adjust because I have a big head, but here we go. Here goes nothing. Got the back secured. All right, now I got the front secured. Okay. Oh shit. Ugh, my nails are lifting and it's trying to like go under the nail. But anyway, this is without manipulating it at all. Okay. This is my natural hair color. Just a little bit left out. Y'all just saw what happened, okay? I don't have to explain. I could leave it like this, honestly. I could just kind of fluff it up, cover up the edges, and leave it like this and have like a curly bang. That's actually really pretty. See, I got like a little part going, curly bang. I can pull this back like this, or I can leave it out fluffy. Or I could do like a flip over method and like kind of brush all of my hair to like one side. But the objective is to cover up this little front of the wig, right? The objective is always to cover up the wig, guys. Please. Okay. So that's more of like a flip over. So no bang, just a flip. That's cute too. And as you can see, you can't really see the edges of the wig. And it just looks like this is my real hair. This is the wig. You can't even tell a difference, yo. Okay. Now, of course, if I wanted to, I could slick the edges, but I don't. I want to keep that like fluffy look. If you really wanted to make it look way more realistic, you could go in with scissors and cut layers into the wig, but it's already kind of layered. Like, see, this is the wig. This is my real hair. So it's already kind of layered. I don't really need to do anything to it, honestly. Now this is a synthetic wig, so I don't want to manipulate it too much, but this is what it's looking like from the side, back, the other side. And like I said, I don't want to manipulate it too much. This is straight out of the pack. I didn't brush it out. I didn't wash it. I didn't put on any product. None of that. And again, I would probably layer it a little bit on this side to make it blend a little more, but it looks good. Like, I just love this. So I just wanted to make sure I shared this with you guys before I started wearing it. I kind of do like the little bang situation though. Since my hair is shorter than the wig, might as well pull some curls down. That's pretty. Yeah. And this is after me wearing my real hair all day, dancing, doing karaoke at work, like working, you know, driving, wearing sunglasses, all of that. So my hair's a little, this roller set is a little old on my real hair, so it's a little fuzzier. But I mean, honestly, it's still blending so well. Of course, it's gonna look better once I take it out of the rollers again, but this is just so perfect. I just wanted to show you guys this wig. If you want to shop this wig, again, the link is down below. I love Outre. This is a synthetic wig, so the hair isn't gonna last a long time. It may shed, it may tangle, but it's just so soft. The hair is very soft, very shiny, very realistic looking, very natural looking. I love it. Like, if I cut more layers into it, I can make it bigger. This is like with no manipulating. This is just what y'all saw straight out of the pack. Once again, make sure you subscribed. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to see more hair videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and catch you on my Instagram or in my next YouTube video. Bye.